What's up, I'm Troubleshoot. In this quick guide, I'll be showing you how to complete this quest. It's pretty annoying as you will need to hunt down and destroy a surveyor, but let's go ahead and do it. Now, this quest didn't start off exactly as I expected. I didn't think I'd be doing it now, but essentially you just need a heavy-hitting item, well, weapon rather, or even a couple of really powerful grenades that have great arc penetration. This is a really armored ball that just rolls around carrying some okay loot, an ARC Surveyor core and stuff like that. All you need to do is run around the map looking for this giant blue laser shining into the sky. I've only really seen these on damn battlegrounds, but I'm sure they're on other maps as well. What you need to do is make your way towards them, even though they may be on and off here and there. It should give you a general idea of how to track them down. As you're running towards them, you'll hear a meep meep noise, and that's the noise that it makes as it just rolls around, well, surveying. You'll need to take as many shots as possible at it while it's semi-close to you before it rolls away and gains a huge amount of distance. You won't be able to catch this thing while it's actively running from you or your teammates. That being said, if you happen to get way too close, it will stop, get all red, angry, and it'll spin towards you with great speed, knocking you back and doing quite a bit of damage. It's not the best to get hit by, but as long as you've got a medium to long range weapon, you can definitely do some good damage from a safe distance. I've done this before with an anvil and a couple of heavy bullets, but you can also do it with something as simple as a ferro. In this one, I happened to find a player who got an Osprey for a box, took them down and took their Osprey, and just using medium ammo, I was able to get rid of it. This weapon only has moderate arc penetration compared to an anvil which has strong arc penetration. Obviously, strong is going to get rid of it pretty quick, but using about 34 bullets, of which most of them I hit, I was able to get rid of it. And with that, search all of the pieces of armor that break off of it while it's rolling around and in the middle of combat, as when you shoot it, bits break off. You'll need to search those as you can find ARC Surveyor vaults in it, and they're very important later on for upgrading some things in your hideout. That being said, when you eventually break it down, it'll explode into 2 or 3 of these pieces where you have a pretty good chance of finding more. Now, obviously, it's basically just raw luck of whether the exterior pieces will have these Surveyor vaults, but the interior piece should definitely always have at least one. With that, once it's finally done, when you've hunted it down, you're able to destroy it, complete this quest, collect the Surveyor vault, completing this, and of course you should hopefully have a few more to add to your growing collection where you can use them later on to upgrade your hideout. But yeah, hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. Mine's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.